3 networking mistakes killing your career growth. You are smart, you are experienced, but others with less talent are getting better roles. Why? Because your networking strategy is broken. I work with professionals at every level, from mid-career to VP. And what I see again and again is this. You are working odd in silence, while others are getting seen because they are connecting better. Here are 3 networking mistakes that are silently killing career growth. Mistake 1. Only reaching out when you need help. That's not networking, that's desperation. Mistake 2. Staying in your comfort zone. If you are only talking to people like you are not growing, you are circling. Mistake 3. Talking about yourself too much. Your CV is not a conversation. Here is what to do instead. Give before you ask. Connect up, not sideways. Lead with curiosity, not credentials. Networking is not about selling yourself. It's about building trust before you ever need it. And that one shift, it changes careers. DM me the word network map or book a one-on-one career visibility session.